Hello, guy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to share with you how to sell put options. So this video is for people who don't know how to sell put option. This is for the beginner. Okay, so if you already know how to trade option, please ignore this video. Okay, but this video is for the beginner. Okay, so this is Apple. So I want to, let's say, so right now Apple is sitting at $257.14. Okay, so you want to sell put options. You want to buy Apple at the lowest price. Okay, so the reason you want to sell option, because selling option, they give you consistent income. They generate consistent incomes, and potentially you can buy that stock at a cheaper price. Okay, so let's see here. Apple right here, Trey, and you. This is the Robinhood platform. So this I like to use Robinhood because it's simple, it's easier to understand, and easier to navigate. And so trade option. Okay, so here you want to, usually sometimes I sell option with like in 30 days. So I select October 31st for 30 days of selling options. Okay, so here they have buy and sell, right? Buy, sell, call, and put. So usually for me, I always sell an option. So sell an option give you a consistent income. Okay, so when you sell, it means you receive the premium. It's like you are selling the auto insurance. Okay, you are insurance and brokerage. So when people are buying the auto insurance, they have to pay you to get the insurance, right? To pay the premium. So that's what you want. So here you want to sell, select sell, and here it should put. Okay, and usually, so right now, Apple, the say right here, share price is $257.17. So you want to, usually I select right. Robinhood, they give you a probability of profit. So the chance of profit is 74.31%. So I select this right here. Okay, so I select, so selling Apple at $250 put on this 10/31st is the day that contract will be expire. So this day, either you sell, you keep all the premium, or you have to buy back 100 share at $250. Okay, so when you sell the contract, a put, so one contract is equal 100 share. Okay, so select, so you hit sell. So when you sell one contract, they give you the estimate credit. Okay, so let's just say you will sell at they give you $269.96 premium. So this money will automatically deposit into your account. Okay, and so if you sell one contract, you got that much. Okay, if you sell the two contract, then you got $739 within 30 days. Okay, if you get more money, you can sell more. Let's say if you sell like 5 contract, then you generate monthly income at $1,849. Okay, so let's go back to one contract. Okay, one contract, you hit review. Okay, sorry for delay. My internet is kind of slow today. So right here, selling Apple $250 put October 31st, one contract right here. So they give you the premium, the credit, that's the premium that's the cash that deposits into your account when you sell the put option. $369.96. Collateral. So this is collateral. So you have to have a cash on hand, 25,000, in order to buy. Let's say if the Apple on October 31st is if above $250, then you keep all the premium, okay, and you don't have to buy back any contract. However, if Apple on October 31st is below your straight price, the straight price is 250. So let's say if October 31st, your Apple price is $240. Let's say $240 at October 31st. Then you have to buy 100 share of Apple at the price of $250. Okay, so you have to have a cash on hand to buy back that contract. One contract equal 100 share. So that's why when you sell the put option, you have to have a lot of money in your account. Otherwise, you unable to do it. Okay, if you don't have enough cash, then you cannot able to sell the put option. Okay, so if you decide to sell this one, then you automatically receive the premium at $369. So if you swipe up right here, then see, so my order is in the queue right now. So the total credit I received is $369, and my collateral is $25,000. Okay. Anyway, I hope you able to follow what I'm saying, and hopefully this video can help you a little bit to understand about how to sell put option. All right, guys. So just want to share a little bit how to share options in this video, and I hope you like it, and please give me feedback. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye.